Hi everybody, it's Mr. Patrick. I'm ready to show you your third assignment, your third video article assignment. That's what obviously going to be a video. That's going to be me talking with probably my favorite website, which is Darebee.com. And I move it up here so you can see DAREBEE.com. And you'll see the site right there. If you get to the site, comes up, you see a guy sitting there. What the heck is he doing? That's a daily dare, which is an exercise you can do every single day, a different one. Well, this website has over 1,400 workouts on it. They're all free. There's no ads on here. There's nothing that Google's not going to come on and ask you to buy something or anything like that. So this is 100% free. There's over 1,400 workouts. There's over, if you see over here, there's 300 no equipment workouts. Mr. Patrick, I can't get to the gym. They're all closed. You're right. I don't have money for a treadmill or dumbbells or all that stuff. Okay, there's 300 workouts right there, right here that are with no equipment, so you don't need anything. They have challenges. You'll see the Impossible Ab Challenge. And then baseline. I'll show you baseline a little bit. That's if you're just getting started. The cool thing is you can do this on your phone. I believe there's an Android app. I'm not sure about Apple yet, but I believe there is one coming from Apple. So what I'm going to go through, this is a two-part. So third assignment this is the Darebee intro. The fourth assignment, I'll be getting a little bit deeper into the stuff that Darebee has to offer. But this is just an intro into Darebee, DAREBEE.com. Now, I want to show you before we start and break everything down what I do when I want to get a workout in. Also, you can download all these on a computer. You can download them and you can print them out. You can save them on your desktop or whatever into the cloud, and they're yours. There's also a really cool timer that's right there. You can do it on your phone. You can do it on your laptop. But what I typically do, I'll go to workouts and I go over here to load filter. It used to be really big, but you'll see over 1,400 plus workouts in the database. The load filter right here. And the nice thing about this is you tell this website what you want. So over here in this left column, we have abs, full body, lower body, upper body. So I'll do full body. Okay, and they all have these really cool names. And we'll scroll down. What do I want? If you see HIIT, it's not spelled incorrectly. It's high intensity interval training. You go from one exercise right to the next one, right to the next one, right to the next one. Usually there's 6 to 8 exercises, no rest in between, and at the end you rest for a minute or two. If you don't like doing that, if you like the workout but you don't want to do it like that, that's totally fine. You can kind of do old fashioned, but there's combat, strength and tone, stretching, flexibility, wellness, yoga, etc. I will do strength and tone. So I click on that. So it's already changing the workouts. It doesn't matter if there's a female person on there or a male person on there. All the workouts are the same. And typically I'll go, you want light, easy, normal, hard, advanced. I'll go normal. And it's changing the workouts. That's going to show me. Let's see. I have dumbbells. Or no equipment. If you look for no equipment, none. There's 167 workouts for this particular track. Do I want a circuit or classic? All right. I'll go classic. Not really sure. And then here's my workouts. So say I click on super strength. That was my nickname back in high school. No, it wasn't. Just a veiled attempt at some humor here. So if you look at this, it says 20 seconds of rest between sets, no rest between exercises. So you would do goblet squats, side bends, calf raises, and you go all the way through. And you go through all these once with no rest between exercises, and then you rest. Some of them are different. Some of them have you do different stuff, but and they go right through. So this is what I would do. I've been on Darebee a lot, and I typically go right to workouts, right to filter, and you can kind of curtail it exactly how you'd like. So let me go back and show you some of the basics here. So I told you baseline. It's a 30-day program for people that, you know, like me. Basically, if I got into working out really hard, haven't been working out in a while, I'll probably do the baseline. I have no equipment. I don't have any money right now. There's a worldwide pandemic going on. Maybe I'll just do the 300 no equipment workouts. They have couch workouts. It's pretty cool. I got a couch. All right, great. There's like 100 workouts for a couch. I'll show you that in a second. There's office workouts, all sorts of really cool stuff. So there's something for everybody. You're stuck at home. I have no equipment, nothing to do. There's stuff on here for you. You can get on the internet, you got Wi-Fi or data. You're good to go. I'm gonna. This is the Darebee.com initial site. There's something different every day. They have the workout of the day. They have the daily dare. They have the Impossible Ab July Challenge, 300 no equipment. So they always have stuff over here that you can click on. Down here under Getting Started, you'll see the instruction manual, and it will tell you what a set is, what a rep is. A lot of people know that. Some people don't, and that's fine. All there, it talks to you about the different levels of difficulty: normal, hard, freaking murder. Okay, that's interesting. And the sample workout right here, it tells you how to do the sample workout. And it goes through reps to failure, what that means, reps throughout the day, combos, combinations, transition between exercises, difficulty levels, rest between sets, push-ups, how to do a push-up. If you can't do a push-up yet on level one, you can do it on your knees. And I like, if you ever see something and you're like, what is that? You don't have a phys ed teacher there to tell you. So you click on video exercise library, and this will be farther down. And these are all the exercises. I don't know what a squat is saying. I don't know how do I do a squat? So there it is. There's right here how to do a squat correctly. And you click on it. They're 3 to 5 seconds. And they just show you the form. So her butt's going back, chest going forward, chin is up. She's sitting back. I could actually do these. I'm the stiffest person on the planet. So if I could do these, you can do them. So, and you see all the different. So if you see a name for something, you're like, I don't know if I'm doing that right, or I don't know what the name of that is. They're all right here, and you see there's, for every one of them, there's 6 pages, and there's about 50 of them per page. You know how to do everything. Someone's gonna show me. Well, there it is, right there. How to do it correctly. We'll go back. So warm up and stretching. You want your muscles warm when you're working out. You don't necessarily have to stretch. All the latest research is telling us to have our muscles warm. And it will talk about this the difference between warm ups and stretching. And it kind of goes through all that stuff. What you should be doing so you're not starting cold. You don't want to pull muscles and stuff like that when you start cold. I'm gonna go back. How to pick a program. Derby. It talks all about how to pick a program, what you're trying to do. Uh, and it shows they have 30-day programs, which is pretty cool. It's a calendar. You click on the day, it tells you what to do. And I know people like to do that, have people tell you what to do, especially when you're working out. You're not like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. Training plans. There's strength, high burn, hit, and combat. Okay. And and here's a bunch of gladiator and assassin and all this stuff. There's pretty cool workouts, but um, there's all sorts of training plans. You can get on a plan and keep following it. Exercise modifications. I talked to you about the video exercise library. So those are a lot of the different things right here on Darebee. I'm going to show you just a couple other things here and baseline. Okay, 30 days. Focus on high burn streamline. Excuse me. No equipment, no floor exercises. So you're standing up for everything. Difficulty perfect for beginners, and it talks about all the basic stuff. if you haven't worked out in a while, you get back into it. Take it easy. And then look at this, the Modern Hero meal plan. It even has a meal plan for you. Check this out. It tells you what to eat, carbs, protein, healthy fat, everything, and it explains it in very good detail. Very thorough. This is tough. I know you're probably not buying the food for your house, so it is difficult. Uh, but look at the program index. Day one, click on it. Day two, I'm gonna hit day two. What's on day two? Tells you baseline. This is what you're doing for day two. That's it. You're done. So you would do level one. You go through all of these. You would do calf raises, sit to stand, hip rotation, side bends, and then rest for 2 minutes. Then you do it again. After 3 sets of those, that's level one. Level two is 5 sets. Level three is 7 sets. All stuff you're standing up. So one set would be 10 of these, right to 10 of these, 10 of these, and 10 of these. That's one set. Rest for 2 minutes and do another set. And that's just what you have to do for that day. So each day, you could do another one, probably take you 5 to 10 minutes, all the way through to 30 days. So it takes the thinking out of it. Okay, so we have 300 no equipment workouts, the baseline I just showed you. Um, cool and useful right here. The last thing I'm going to show you, there's a fitness test. And if you want to, and this is the cool thing is you can do this in your bedroom. Shut the door. If you're self-conscious, which a lot of people are working out, you can do this yourself. And look at here's a timer right here. Click on it, and we'll do a countdown. And you can do push-ups. Okay, how many push-ups can you do in a minute? Maybe you could do 5. Maybe you can do 2. Maybe you can do a lot. But it tells you right here. If I can do 1 to 20, I'm level 1. If I do 1 to 20 sit-ups, do me a favor. This is a big pet peeve of mine. Keep your chin away from your chest. If you're ever doing, don't turn like this. You're gonna really hurt your neck when you're doing that. So always keep your chin away from your chest. I always like to pretend your fist or an apple is between underneath your chin. And then the third is burpees. You stand here, you jump down, you come back up, and you jump. So, and then that will tell you. You can see where you're at. So there's a fitness test to kind of see where you stand. Okay, so we went over the basics, the intro, training plans, how to pick a program, video exercise library. We went over the filter, the workouts, and there's a lot of just amazing stuff. The more I get on here, the more it's amazing. So this is your first part of this is your assignment number 3, and I'm going to ask you 8 questions about the stuff we just went over to make sure you understand it. And you fill out your assignment 3 Google form. This will be your Darebee intro Google form assignment 3. There'll be 8 questions. Fill them all out, and we'll be off to the races. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you briefly for the next one. Thank you.